good location and in the main quite good value for money. However, feel like I was tried to be done over on last day when hotel receptionist asked if we wanted a taxi pre-booking to station for journey home.
We probably stay here again, which is unfortunate as the building itself is a beautiful old building.
Great location as we arrived and departed from London via coach at Victoria. Friendly staff. Didn't mind all the stairs to the 3rd floor. Very comfortable bed, had a good night his sleep. Quiet road, not lots of traffic. Continental breakfast included was fine.
Our room clearly had not been hoovered. The carpet all around the bed had various sizes of paper and other debris, including a pigeon feather near the window. Cracked mirrors on the wardrobe and dressing table. Cracked basin in the ensuite and small crack to the shower tray.
The location near Victoria Station, 15 minutes walk, and Pimlico Station, 5 minutes. The bed and sheets were clean and comfortable. There was tea and coffee in the room and clean towels and shampoo and soap. They were changed every day, which was great.
This hotel has steep staircases and no lifts. We were given a room on the ground floor, so it was good for us, but to get to the dining room for breakfast you have to go down a steep staircase to the basement with no handrail until halfway down. We didn't have breakfast any day of our stay.